Hey guys, and welcome to Doing Things Dan's Way. So today I'm in the middle of replacing all the bulbs on my Toyota Highlander here, and as you can see I kind of have the complete package. This replaces every bulb with an LED. And so what I have now, these are the backup lights. Now you may think, okay, who cares about my backup light? Why would I change it? Well, if you take a look at a couple of these shots here, you can see that this LED replacement is at least 2, if not 3 times brighter. This means that you have much better visibility looking in your mirrors, and it also makes the camera work that much better at night because you have that much more light for the camera to work with. So backing up at night with a pair of these is going to be a lot better and safer than using the standard factory LEDs. Okay, so back here on the back of the Highlander, you can see this bulb and how bright this is. I've already replaced this one, obviously, and this is the factory original for the backup light. So let me get the second bulb in. Let me show you how to do that. With the door open, we can see we have this whole panel here, and there's a little notch right there. We're going to put a screwdriver in, pull it up in there, and just get it open enough to get your fingers into, and you can pull off all the clips. And there are legs here that go in first, so you definitely want to pull from this side first and pull it down, and there we have access to the bulbs, and our backup bulb is right there. So I'm going to push on this tab and just pull down on the wires to remove that part. And with that out of the way, now I can grab the holder here and I can turn it to the left just a notch. Yeah, 45 degrees there, wiggle it out, and there is our bulb. So all we're going to do now, we're not going to use this bulb anymore, so I'm just going to grab it and pull it out. So we have our Oxydo bulb, put that in there just like so. So then I'm going to put this back up inside. The fat tab right there matches the fat tab on the holder. So that goes in, and then we turn it. There we go. So it turned from there to there, and then we're gonna just put our connector back on. Okay, that's all there is to it. It's really that simple. Now we're gonna put our back cover on. Remember, we have these 2 hooks that need to go on first. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. To the other side, and you're done. Well, and there you have it. Got 2 backup lights replaced, and this is going to be a lot brighter. Let's take a look what it looks like in the dark. Here you can see, wow, look how bright this is. It's hard to say what the camera can see exactly, but this whole driveway is completely lit up nicely. And let's take a look at the camera. Here in the camera, you can see, okay, it's got lots of digital noise. That's just a camera in low light. But the fact that it has a decent image and I can see all the way back there, this works really good. So awesome, there you have it. That's the Oxydo backup bulbs. Super simple replacement. Like I said earlier, there's links down below to go directly to this part. Hit up the playlist for all of the bulbs here that I have been replacing on this car with LEDs. Until next time, guys, be blessed.